Hello everyone! Today we're going to show you how to create a new location and the classrooms for that new location when you have more than one center. In other words, when you have a second or a third center that is physically located in a different place. How do we do this? We go to the Configurations menu, remember it's in the top right corner, and then go to the Classrooms tab on the left side. As you can see, we already have two centers created. One in Manchester and one in London. Let's create a new one. Let's suppose we name it after the city it's located in this case, Newcastle. Here you can enter the full address or just leave it like that, and the name in this case matches the city. We create the location and the first step is done. Now we need to add the classrooms that belong to this center. Let's say we have two classrooms. One is called exterior room because it's outdoors. And in the section labeled monthly rent, what does that mean? What you'll need to do is calculate all the fixed costs associated with this new center. Rent, electricity, water, and then divide it between the number of classrooms you have. This will help the system and the platform calculate the class profitability in the Reports tab. For now, we'll leave it as £0 since it's something we can add later. And let's say we have a second room called indoor room. And same thing, we leave it at £0 until we properly calculated the fixed costs for the school. Great, we now have the new location created. As you can see, each location here with its own classrooms. In the case of Manchester and London, the fixed costs have already been calculated. £600 divided among the three classrooms. In this case, of Newcastle, we'll leave it as it is for now. At the bottom, you can see the location details, the address, where it is on the map, and the color you can change to help identify each location. We click on Save, and that's it. What is this for? We can use it in two cases. The first, when we go to the Students tab, we'll be able to see students based on their location. If we activate the location column, for example, we click on here, and we'll be able to see a letter identifier. Let's see, an M for Manchester or an L for London. So we can see which center the student is enrolled in. The second use case is in the Classes tab. This allows us to view the classes being held in each center. For example, we can choose to view classes in all centers, or if we select Manchester, we'll only see the classes held in the Manchester Center. The same applies if we select London. In this case, we've just created Newcastle and there are no classes assigned to this new center yet. And that's it. Simple as that. Thank you.